Introducing the Claw, by BeneCeutical. Bioaccumulation of heavy metals does not mean crowd surfing across a mosh pit. This bioaccumulation you cannot see. Over time, heavy metals can build up in the human body, which can be toxic to your precious internal bits. Heavy metals disrupt cellular events such as cell growth, proliferation, differentiation, damage repairing processes and apoptosis, or programmed cell death. As an example, the differentiation of fingers and toes in a developing human embryo occurs because cells between the fingers apoptose. The result is that the digits are separate, which allows you to show your metal horns. PCD serves fundamental functions during both plant and animal tissue development. Now when we say the claw, we aren't talking about fuzzy bananas. The Claw by BeneCeutical is a chelation therapy which binds, or claws, to the metal ions to immediately stop the negative effects of any heavy metal. EDTA, also known as ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, literally claws around the heavy metals fighting for your rights to party, internally, that is. Visit us at www.beneceutical.com. Heavy metal detox the right way with the Claw, by BeneCeutical.